Wow, Infinite? I don't deserve this, but okay. Anyways, I'm a go. Ask Richard how many Robux he got.
Lily underscore Millie 12345 comma has joined. Richard underscore Gather 67.
Hey, bestie.
Hi. How much Robux you got?
10 million. I'm gonna go change. I'll be right back.
Okay. I guess I'm gonna just wait for him here.
Back, and also am not your bestie anymore.
What? Why?
Because you're broke. I bet you have 0 Robux. I'm going to find a new group chat and bestie bye.
Well, since I have infinite Robux, I'm going to go change. Now that I am back, I'm gonna play the hood and hopefully find a GC. Let's go.
Asterisk she joins Dahid asterisk.
Okay, well,
ABC for GC.
oh my god, ABC please.
Okay, Lemmy, ask them. Hey guys, can I add someone new PLS?
Gaming underscore squad 67 comma has added Lily underscore Millie 12345 to the GC.
Hi guys,
Hi.
y'all wanna do age reveal?
Sure.
I'll start. I'm Eli and I'm 13.
I'm Jacob and I am 15.
I'm Gigi and I am 14.
I'm Richard and am 16.
I'm Lily and 16 also.
Why does her voice sound so familiar?
Lily wanna be my GF?
Yes, Jacob.
Lily, can I talk to you in private?
No, dude, whatever you have to say to her, you can say to both of us.
He has a point.
Babe, just let me talk to him in private. It's probably not that big of a deal.
Alright, fine.
Thank you. What?
Were you betrayed this morning?
How do you know?
BC, I'm your bestie. Remember.
We're not besties anymore.
Oh, right.
Come back for part 2.